Have you ever wondered if handwriting can reveal a person's potential for being a serial killer? Or if your own handwriting might have serial killer vibes? Common features in the handwriting of serial killers include erratic spacing, abnormal letter formations, sharp angles, and illegibility. Graphology. A pseudoscience suggests that wide spaces may reflect difficulty in forming relationships, while narrow spaces might indicate fear of abandonment. Additionally, a leftward slant could signify an attempt to conceal emotions, and tense strokes often denote high emotional energy. Unusual punctuation usage, whether excessive or minimal, has also been noted, along with narrow, broken, or twisted letters that convey a reluctance to share one's thoughts. While these handwriting traits can be intriguing, they should be interpreted cautiously and not as conclusive evidence of psychopathy. Interested in finding out more? You can take our serial killer handwriting quiz to see how your handwriting stacks up.